Hi, welcome back. So in the last video we discussed about do while loop. Also we have seen the difference between a while loop and a do while loop. Okay, I hope it is clear. While loop is an entry control and do while loop is exit control. This is the reason why in the do while loop the group of statement will be executed at least once, but in a while loop if the condition is false, then this particular statement will not going to execute. Okay, so while loop one time it will be executed, but do while loop it will not going to execute a single time. Okay, whenever the condition is false, right? Okay, and we have seen this particular syntax itself. Okay, now in this particular video we're going to see about the for loop. Okay, so for loop syntax is like this: for. Okay, and in while loop using initialization, condition, and incrementation. So in for loop everything will be inside this particular bracket. Everything will be inside this particular bracket. Okay, so first is initialization. Okay, right, semicolon, then we have the condition. Okay, semicolon, and then we have the increment or decrement. Okay, right, increment or the decrement itself, right? So this is what the syntax, and then followed by open bracket closure, and here are the statements. Yes. Okay, now if this particular statement is only one statement, then we can remove this. Okay, but if you have a group of statement, then we have to write opening bracket and closing bracket, and this is same for while loop and also for the do while loop. Okay, so let us see. I already have written I equal to 0, so same for while loop we have written the program. So our initialization I equal to 0. Okay, then I in the while loop we have written I less than 10. Okay, and I plus plus, right? Okay, and then we write the group of statement here. So I write here printf. Okay, the value of I is percentage d. Okay, and I will write here comma I. Okay, and this will be followed by a semicolon. So let me save it and let me execute. So initialization, okay, condition, and incrementation. So first this will initialize, and then it will check 0 is less than 10. Okay, true, this statement execute, then it will be incremented, then again it will be check. So 1 is less than 10, again it will be 1 will be displayed, again it will be incremented to 2, 2 is less than 10, again this will go, and this will continue till 10 is less than 10 is false, and it will come out. So I will put here printf. Okay, end of the for loop. Yes, so let me save and let me execute now. Okay, so we got, oh, since I have not put the slash, and that is why it is coming up like this. Sorry, let me put the slash, and the output will be more clear. Okay, let me execute. It's taking a little bit of time. Yes, now we'll get the output like the value of I is 1, 0, then value of I is 1, value of I is 2, value of I is 3, like that we'll get it. What I have not executed, right? Sorry. Now it is coming. So I got it. Right, you can see the 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the end of for loop. Right, so for loop is easy, but understanding the execution of for loop, it is little bit of difficult. That is the reason why we started with the while loop. So the while loop, we have the initialization, then condition, and then group of statement, then incrementation. So in the for loop everything comes together. So initialization, condition, and incrementation and decrementation, right? So let me change this to 9. Okay, and now this will be changed to I greater than 0, and this will be now I minus minus. Okay, so we'll save it and then we'll execute. So we'll get 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 end of loop. Okay, now let me remove this. I was telling now only single statement it is. So let me remove also. Right, so we got 9, 8, and this one. Okay, now let me add one more statement. Printf, and I write here HUPESA. Okay, and let me now execute. Yes, so now I should get what? This two should be executed for this amount of time. Now I execute. You will see that 9, 8, 7, 6 till 1 will come, then Bhupesh Deka will come and end of loop. See Bhupesh Deka and end of loop. Okay, so to make it very clear, let me put it /n here. Okay, and now execute. So we have got like this. So, but I wanted Bhupesh Deka to be executed this number of time, right? From 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, 0 is not coming, right? So that means I have to change a little bit of that also. This will be equal to 0 because I want to display it as 0. So let me execute again. Yes, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1, 0. Then Bhupesh Deka. But I wanted hello of I is 9, then Bhupesh Deka. Hello of I is 8, then Bhupesh Deka. This has not happened because this is a group of statement, and this group of statement has to be inside the curly bracket. So I write like this. Okay, then I and I put here, and now I save, and now I execute. Now we'll see value of I is 9, then Bhupesh Deka. Value of I is 8, then Bhupesh Deka, and till this on. Okay, so in for loop, if you have a group of statement, okay, always should be in this, open bracket, close bracket. This is similar for the while loop and also for the do while loop. Okay, and here we have the initialization, here we have the condition, and here we have the increment and decrement. Yes, right? Now the thing is that, can we start a for loop without an initialization? Yes, you can have a for loop without an initialization. If I write like this, and I can put this I equal to 9 in the beginning also, and I can save this and I will execute it. See, it is executing. It is same, right? I can remove this also, right? And I can do here I minus minus. Get it? Let me execute. Yes, you can see it is also giving me the same result, right? Can I remove this? No, I cannot remove it. Okay, right? Can I add more, can I add more type of, condition here? Something like that. Can I have more, one only? What is initialize? Can you have multiple initialize? Can you have multiple decrementation? Yes, we can have multiple initialize. Like I equal to, you have written 9, right? Comma, I can write j equal to, suppose say 0. That also I can do. Here also I can write I plus plus. Okay, here I can write j minus 1. Lot of things are there, but in this video we're not going to discuss this because we are only trying to make you understand the concept of, the for loop. And I hope you have cleared that for loop. You have the initialization, okay, then we have the condition, then you have the incrementation, right? And we have seen that the group of statements should be inside the open bracket and the close bracket. I hope all of you have understood the for loop.